Good evening guys, and all today's video about. Many individuals overall are drawn to the crypto market, certainly because of the publicity and likely the awesome advantages, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. This video will share significant subtleties and value expectations of one of the most recent digital forms of money sent off a couple of months prior. In any case, the digital currency name is Ethereum named services prominently called ETH, which generally is genuinely huge. Since the send-off of this token, numerous merchants have proactively begun putting resources into this token, which is very critical. The present Ethereum named service cost generally is $14.88 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $181,600,751 United States dollars, or so they thought. Ethereum named service generally is down 15.92% as of now. The ongoing market cap positioning is number 139. With a live market cap of $301,143,297 United States dollars. Incredibly, it has a coursing supply of 20,244,862 ETH coins and a maximum supply of 100 million ETH coins. The best utilization of ETH should commonly be the utilization as an administration most certainly token. DAO gave the financial backers as a whole individuals a vote in the choices the organization makes while spending the raised capital. One more added worth of a DAO and WEB3 is the capacity to fabricate a local area where DAOs explicitly address a strong arrangement motor to implode the classifications of client or purchaser, organization or group, and financial backer into an especially single gathering that is adjusted and part of a local area that thinks often about a specific curio or a specific encounter. Let's get to know ETH assuming it merits being in every practical sense, remembered for especially your crypto portfolio, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. What in a real sense is Ethereum named service? Ethereum naming service is an organization that permits crypto devotees to rename their crypto addresses into something considerably more straightforward for them to handily recollect. Renaming crypto addresses through ETH will empower clients to recall and compose their crypto addresses rapidly in a really significant manner. It is fundamental to essentially realize that Ethereum naming services has been on for quite a long time and in every practical sense is supported by the Ethereum blockchain itself in a significant manner. Despite the fact that Ethereum naming service basically depends on the Ethereum blockchain, it utilizes its digital money known as ETH. Likewise, you can basically send and truly get any cryptographic money with the framework's wallet in a for the most part large manner. ETH is utilized for administration purposes on the blockchain network, as indicated by the Ethereum named service white paper. The naming framework was made to plan comprehensible names like Donald.eth to machine discernible identifiers, for example, ETH addresses, content hashes, and so forth in a genuinely large way. Moreover, the white paper additionally expressed that ETH permits turnaround goal, guaranteeing that metadata, for example, especially accepted names, can be coordinated with various addresses on the Ethereum organization. Ethereum named service additionally essentially expects to have a similar objective as the web's domain naming service, or so they in a real sense thought. In any case, it has an alternate system genuinely because of its capacities and cutoff points, presented by the Ethereum blockchain network, or so they thought. Today, ETH's by and large current cost. Furthermore, Ethereum named service generally is down 7.30% as of now. The ongoing market cap positioning especially is number 130, with a live market cap of $356,138,359. It for the most part has a coursing supply of 20,244,862 ETH coins and a greatest inventory of 100 million ETH coins. The cost of ETH certainly is as of now over its 50 and 100-day MA. Nonetheless, its specialized marker recommends the coin certainly is in serious areas of strength for its own, which demonstrates that financial backers ought to by and large purchase the sort of token right now. Incredibly, Value prediction. Value prediction says that ETH is a wise speculation, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. As indicated by them, ETH is probably going to have a really least cost of $20.41 and a most extreme cost of $24.21 by 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. In the genuinely next 5 years, 2027, price prediction conjectures that ETH will have a most extreme cost of $151.63 and a base cost of $129.96, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum name service price prediction by industry experts, or so they thought. A famous YouTube force to be reckoned with known as CryptoGrade gave his in every practical sense own view about the fate of ETH, really in spite of prevalent thinking. As indicated by him, ETH can basically be a for the most part great digital currency in the extremely present moment. In the more extended term, foreseeing ETH incredibly is troublesome. In any case, this powerhouse additionally encourages financial backers to proceed cautiously and make their examination prior to putting resources into ETH in the long haul, in an essentially enormous way certainly. Is Ethereum name service a wise speculation? Numerous specialists and brokers certainly accept that Ethereum name service explicitly has been a fantastic speculation for a sort of lengthy time. Shockingly, the worth is expanding, or so they fundamentally thought. In this manner, it is ensured that the venture will yield a decent return. What amount will Ethereum name service especially be worth in 2025? Numerous stages and investigators generally imagine that the cost of Ethereum name service will keep on filling in the following 5 years, outperforming the $43.02 mark toward the finish of 2025. Despite the fact that the cost appears as though a stretch, no one can say for sure. ETH and other cryptocurrencies are exceptionally unpredictable and can take a different path. How genuinely much will Ethereum name service be extremely worth in 10